G'day, welcome to Street Neat Limited. Just going to show you a real quick fuel tank repair here. A mate of mine's given me this fuel tank out of a HQ Holden to fix up, and as typical with most of these, it's a little bit bent. So from dragging on the ground and jacks and things going underneath it, or possibly a bit of forklift damage. Anyhow, what I've done is I've sealed it up around all the appropriate holes. It's still got its fuel cap on there, which I can't quite get off yet. I'll find a key for that. But what I'm going to do, I'm just simply going to go in through the overflow hole here, the vent pipe, sorry, and yeah, just watch the amazing transformation as I hope this works. And that, as it comes back to rest, is fixed. Probably the easiest panel beating job I'm going to do all day. Okay, thanks for watching.